The max and the min function are two very powerful and useful formulas in Excel because they allow you to find the maximum or the minimum of a range of numbers in Excel. So here we have a hypothetical example where you have revenue amounts for an entire year, and we want to know the maximum amount of revenue that was earned in 1 month and the minimum amount of revenue that was earned in 1 month. To do this, all I have to do is first, to find the max, it's the maximum amount, you press enter, max, open parentheses, you select the range of values that you're trying to find the max of, and there you have it, which was November, $9,851. And the min is very similar, except instead of typing max, you type min. So min, open parentheses, and then you just select the range of values. And there you have it, the min is 1,537, which is January. So I really hope that you all found this to be helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.